Good day, everyone. This is grade 12 mathematics paper 2 trig functions. Therefore, question 6, in the diagram below, the graph of f of x is equal to 2 cos x and then g of x is equal to cos 2x are drawn in the interval x is an element of negative 45 to 180. So then our 6.1, what is the period of g? So then period is equal to 360 over the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Therefore now 360 over, it is g, right? Therefore now the coefficient of x, it is 2. Therefore now 2. Therefore now the period is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore now 6.2. Write down the values of x for which the graph of f is increasing in the given interval. So it is from here to here. Therefore now we can write that as 45 greater than x but less than 0. Therefore now 6.3. Write down the range of y, it is equal to 3g of x minus 1. Okay, this is interesting. Therefore now let's start with the range of g. This is our g, right? Therefore now the range of g, y is an element of what? Of negative 1 to 1, right? So it is starting from negative 1 up until 1, right? Therefore now the range for 3g, it is equal to y, it is an element of what? Negative 3 to what? To 3, because we just multiply negative 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Now the range for y, it is equal to 3g of x minus 1, right? So then now we can say minus 3 minus 1, which is negative 4, right? Greater or equal to y, but less or equal to 3 minus 1. Right? So then in other words, we are minusing everything. Minus we are saying minus 3 minus 1, which is minus 4, 3 minus 1, which is 2. Therefore now you can even write that as y is an element of what? Of negative 4 and 2. Very good. Therefore now 6.4. So 6.4, determine the values of x for which f of x it is greater or equal to 1 over 2 in the given interval. So then it is f of x. F of x, it is 2 cos x. Let's equate this to 1 over 2, right? Therefore now cos x, it is equal to 1 over 4. If we multiply everything by 1 over 2, we multiply by 1 over 2. Therefore now we'll be left with what? Excuse me, cos x is equal to 1 over 4. Therefore now if you punch that on a calculator, x cos inverse 1 over 4, it is equivalent to 75.5 degrees. Therefore now we can say for which values of, determine the values of x for which it is greater or equal to 1 over 2. Therefore now the graph, it is starting here. Therefore now we can say it is from negative 45, it is greater or equal to x but less or equal to 75.5 degrees. Very good. Therefore now 6.5. So 6.5, determine the minimum value of 1 over 2 cos squared x minus 1 over 4 in the interval 0 included to 180 degrees. Therefore now we are given that 1 over 2 cos squared x minus 1 over 4. Therefore now we can rewrite this as 1 over 4 2 cos squared x minus 1. And this is the same as the previous statement. Therefore now we can write this 1 over 4 2 cos squared x minus 1. It is an trig identity. 2 cos 2x, it is this is the trig identity of this, right? So we can write 2 cos squared x minus 1 as cos 2x. Very good. Therefore now the minimum value for cos 2x, it is g of x. Oh, this is g of x, not this one, sorry. Therefore now the minimum value, it is negative 1. Therefore negative 1. Therefore, our answer is -1/4. Very good. Therefore, now if you want fully detailed session on mathematics, life science, and physical science, please don't hesitate to WhatsApp or call the number on the description below. Thank you for watching.